Open the squishy dumpling with me. Okay, so I have to be really quiet because like we're ordering food right now. But anyways, so like I just got my hair done too. Got my nails done.
Yeah, the number 3.
Anyways, so we went to the store and I've never had a dumpling before. Please tell me if this is real or not. I know this is not real.
Yeah, I guess
that's
so,
not
yeah.
real. So I hope it's not. Okay. So I'm like, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Let's open it.
Can I add a green beans on the side, please?
2, 1.
Yes.
And the oil fries, and that's it.
And the oil french fries.
Oh my.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I need to get a number, can I get the big box meal, the number, well, let me see. Oh, so the 3-piece chicken. So yeah, why didn't I get that? The 3-piece chicken comes in the 3 wings on the number 7, the big box meal.
I'm so happy. Okay, I also got this Nito.
Yeah, and just add a leg.
It's fake, but it feels like so much like a Nito. I mean, my friend has one. That's how I know how it feels like. Cause I only had a butter squishy. That's the only thing I had.
With light ice. So yeah, and then so you got the extra leg and the extra French fry with that one. What
Hold on.
that with 2 thighs and a leg.
So I'm gonna bald from that angle. Anyways, just gonna do that for now. Cause like I love bald. I don't like that.
With mashed potatoes.
It looks so cute. I don't know if it's real. Y'all tell me in the comments if it's real or not.
Sorry, please. With light ice.
Please.
Then,
Okay.
yeah, this the last
I'm gonna see you
one.
cookies
Let me
later.
get the number
Bye.